respected manager, Sister Digna, honorable principal, Sister Merlin, sisters, teachers, and my dear friends. Today, we gather here to celebrate a very special occasion, the USM Founders Day. A day dedicated to honoring the visionary who laid the foundation of USM, Reverend Father Verghese Allengarden, an inspiring mentor of students, a motivational orator, a workaholic who would say, I am busy 24/7, but I have time for you. All these could probably sum up the life of Father Verghese, the founder of the Universal Solidarity Movement. Father Verghese was a man of simplicity, discipline, and deep compassion. He believed education was not just about learning, but about building character. When he founded USM, he dreamt of a school where every child would grow not just in knowledge, but in service to others. He dedicated his life to nurturing minds and shaping hearts. Today, his dream lives on in us.
The USM emblem symbolizes deep spirituality and unity in diversity. The bottom line represents the ocean, deep, dynamic, and value-rich. The curved lines above form a mountain, symbolizing unshakable strength in the face of challenges. The leaf and stem reflect an upright person living by spiritual values, firm and fearless. The wheel, chakra, stands for the spirit of spirituality through creative action. These spokes show unity in diversity. Every person, irrespective of religion or caste, is vital for national growth. The rainbow and religious symbols in the background reflect USM's commitment to interfaith harmony and cultural inclusion.
The man behind USM, Father Verghese, was indeed a rare diamond with rough edges. Hailing from Kerala like a true missionary, he began religious life as a priest in the Saga diocese. Further on, due to his inner calling, he began with Swami Satchidanand's Dharma Bhakti movement in Hyderabad, and soon it transformed into the word of Universal Solidarity Movement, USM, of Well Education for Peace in Indore in 1993. The USM has 5 principles responsible for personal transformation. First, pray daily for peace. This path encourages members to cultivate a habit of prayer, seeking peace not only for themselves but for everybody else. Second, skip a meal once a week. By skipping a meal, members symbolically express solidarity with those who lack peace not only for themselves but also for others, fostering a spirit of understanding. By this, I am not telling you to fast, but to save the money from which you buy delicacies and help the person in need. Third, do a good deed a day. This principle emphasizes the importance of selfless service and loving concern for humanity. It encourages members to perform acts of kindness and service. Honor parents, teachers, and all human beings. These relationships shape us as a positive community. It highlights the unique role of parents and teachers as guides and mentors, while also emphasizing the interconnectedness of all human beings. Respecting the earth and conserving its resources is crucial for sustainable future. Respect the earth and conserve its resources. It is the only home we have. Conserve it today for a better tomorrow. Universal solidarity refers to the unity, empathy, and mutual support that exists among all people. It is a sense of collective responsibility, recognizing that the well-being of one person is connected to the well-being of all. What means by solidarity? It means the following. United we stand, hand in hand, together forever, across this land. with hearts that beat and souls that care. We will show the world we truly care. We will show the world we truly care. Now let us bow our heads in prayer. Oh God, we thank you for the life and vision of Father Workforce, where we carry forward his spirit of kindness, discipline, and dedication. Bless our school, our teachers, and each student, that we may always carry forward, walk towards the path of truth, service, and excellence. Amen. Let us celebrate this day not just with words but with actions. Let each of us take one step forward towards being more helpful, more disciplined, more like a founder. Happy Founders Day.